Hello teacher, this is my group. Today I am we talking about our meet. Hello friends.
Hello, Mateo.
How are you, Eric?
Very good. Fine, and you?
Excellent. Friends, I want to meet your friends.
How is your family?
My family is very good.
Eric, my family is excellent. Your family?
My family is very good.
Excellent. Victor, one word the best describes your mother?
My mother is grateful.
Wow. And your mother?
My mother is loyal.
Excellent.
What river is crazy?
I'm crazy about loud noise.
I'm crazy. I ride my motorcycle at 100 kilometers per hour.
What bird and you? For you?
I bores when I do homework of English. I bore. And you, Eric?
I born is waiting
Online?
sí, long nights.
Oh, it's very bored. And Victor, one word the best describes your sister.
My sister is very good.
And your sister, Eric?
My sister is strong.
Oh. What's one of your hobbies?
My hobbies is mountain motorcycle in country and a new city and you?
Really? I equal. I like to ride my motorcycle. And you, Eric?
My hobby is drum. I like drum.
Oh, excellent. Changing the subject, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is KFC. And you?
Excellent. My favorite food is the rice with chicken. And you, Victor?
My favorite food is noodles and chicken.
Oh, delicious. Very delicious.
What is your favorite colors?
My favorite color is blue and you want that?
My favorite colors are blue, orange, green, and black. And you, Eric?
My favorite color is blue, yellow, orange.
Oh, okay. I think I meet more your friend Eric and you, Victor. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.